Today, I've got something huge for you. If you've been struggling, wondering how people create insane AI cartoon videos and cinematic animations, this video will change everything for you. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create high-quality AI videos using powerful models like Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, and even Gemini Omni. And the craziest part? You can access them for free. First, watch this video I created.
Best adventure ever. I got you!
Hey, no fair! I wish this could last forever.
Me too, sis.
What was that? The boat! It's breaking! No, no, no! We have to stop it! Oh, King, where are you saying? It's not working! We're sinking! We have to jump! Oh.
Look at the quality. Look at the animation. Imagine making videos like this yourself. And today, I'll reveal exactly how I did it. The tool I'm about to show you can even generate videos up to 25 minutes long. That's why this is part 2. And trust me, this one is going to be even more powerful than the first video. So take your time, watch carefully until the end. Because once you finish this tutorial, you're seriously going to thank me. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment ready if you're excited and ready to learn. All right, let's begin. So before anything else, the very first thing I do before I touch any tool whatsoever, I open up a Google Doc and I lay out every single scene in advance. Image prompts, video animation prompts, everything is already planned and organized before I generate a single frame. And don't worry about building this from scratch. I've already prepared the full Google Doc for you, and you will find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Go grab it right now. It's completely free. So here's the story I'm working with today. 5 scenes. Scene 1, children and a dog on a boat. Scene 2, boat gets damaged and starts sinking. Scene 3, children and dog jump into water. Scene 4, swimming toward island shore. Scene 5, reaching the shore. And for each scene, I have 2 prompts. One for generating the image and one for animating it into a video. That structure is everything. Do not skip it. Now there are 2 tools we are going to use today. The first one is called Google Flow. Don't worry, you'll find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Google Flow helps you create images for free because you can access Nano Banana Pro and Gemini Omni completely for free inside it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The second tool is called AniJam. This one helps you create the actual videos for free. I'm going to show you everything from start to finish. All right, let's get into it. So first of all, let me go to my Google Doc and copy the prompt for my first scene. You have to know, first you create the images, and then after that, you create the videos. That is the correct order. So first of all, I'm going to copy my image prompt for scene 1, children and dog in boat. After you copy the image prompt, go to your Google Flow. When you open Google Flow, click on the settings icon. It will show you the agent settings. You'll see an option that says confirm before generating. You can choose always or never. If you choose never, the agent will generate automatically and use credits without stopping to ask you every time. So go ahead and choose never. It saves you so much time. Then you set your image generation ratio. Choose 16:9, and then you can choose how many images to generate at one time. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Choose one for now. Now for the model. When you click here, you can see there is VEO 3.1 quality, VEO 3.1 fast, VEO 3.1 light, and then there is Gemini Omni. Choose Gemini Omni. This is the one you can access completely for free. No payment needed. After choosing it, click Save. Now paste your image prompt for scene 1 right here in the input box and click Generate. It's going to ask you, would you like to generate this one image for 0 credits? You can click Reject, Approve, or click Approve, Do Not Ask Me Again. Choose that last one because it helps you generate the next photos automatically without asking you every single time. And look at that image. Can you believe that quality? Look at this image of my scene 1. Children on a boat with a dog. Cinematic lighting, beautiful detail, and it costs you absolutely 0 credits. You can click download, and if you want, you can even upscale it to 2K. No problem at all, because the quality holds up perfectly. Now, after finishing scene 1 image, go back to your Google Doc and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Boat gets damaged and starts sinking. Come back to your Google Flow, paste it here, and click Generate. This helps you create more scenes without any problem. And look, this is the image of scene 2. You can see boat gets damaged and starts sinking. Click download. Then go to your Google Doc, and copy the image prompt for scene 3, children and dog jumping into the water. Come back to Google Flow, paste it here, and click Generate. Because this helps you make more scenes for your video. Click Generate. And look, every scene I create is better. This is scene 3, children jumping off the sinking boat into the water. Download it. Then go to your Google Doc and copy the image prompt for scene 4, swimming toward the island shore. Copy it and come back here to your Google Flow and paste it here. Because this is important. Google Flow lets you create unlimited images without paying anything because you are accessing Nano Banana Pro completely for free. No payment at all. Click Generate and look, this is the image of scene 4. Download it. Then go to your Google Doc one more time and copy the image prompt for scene 5, reaching the shore. This is the last scene. Copy the image prompt and paste it in your Google Flow and generate your final scene image. Done. Your scene 5 image is ready. You can download it and upscale to 2K, no problem at all. So right now I have finished creating all 5 scene images for my video. Now let me show you what to do next. Click here on your downloads, your recent download history. After clicking, you can see all the images you generated. Click Open Folder to go to the folder where all your images are saved. Now here's a small but very important step. In order to stay organized and avoid confusion when you start generating videos, rename every image according to its scene number. So rename them like Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way to Scene 5. This helps you know exactly which image you created first, second, third, all the way to 5. Trust me, this makes everything so much easier when you start animating. All right, now we bring these images to life. The tool I'm using for animation is called AniJam, and the link is in the description and pinned comment right now. When you land on the homepage, you'll see the headline, "What story will you animate today?" Click Start for free. Sign up using Continue with Google. It's the fastest option. No forms, no passwords, nothing complicated. When it asks how you heard about it, select YouTube, then hit Start. You will land on your page, meaning you already have your account created. Now here's something really exciting. When you create your account through my link, they give you 500 free credits automatically. And on top of that, when you click Earn 100 credits every day and click Check In, every single day you earn 100 more credits. Imagine, right now we already have 600 credits. And how much does it cost to generate one video? Only 20 to 30 credits per scene. Imagine. That means when you sign up through my link in the description or comment, you get more credits. And you can claim credits every single day, no problem at all. So now I've shown you how to create your account on AniJam. Let me continue and show you exactly how I made that video animation. Now click Upload Image. But let me tell you, there are 2 methods you can use here. The first method is uploading every image one by one and generating every scene by scene. The second method, which I'll show you at the end, lets you generate all scenes at once without any problem. So make sure you watch until the very end. When you watch until the end, you will know exactly how to do it. So let's start with method 1 first. Because I already renamed all my images, I know exactly which one to start with. So I select my Scene 1 image and click Open. Then go to your Google Doc and copy the video animation prompt for Scene 1. Come back to AniJam with your uploaded image and paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, click Generate. You'll see options. Generate another animation or adjust the motion and style. Click Adjust the motion and style. After clicking, they ask you about motion adjustment, slow, faster, and style adjustments, and duration. For duration, there's longer clips or shorter clips. The best choice is to go with longer. Select longer and then click Generate. And here's what's incredible. AniJam is using Seedance 2.0 on the back end. That is a premium AI video model. And it only costs 24 credits. 24 credits. And when you click my link, you get up to 500 credits. And you can earn 100 credits every single day. You understand what I'm telling you? So right now the video is done. Let me click on it and look. This is how I make the video for Scene 1. Now after you download Scene 1, go back to your Google Doc and copy the video animation prompt for Scene 2, the boat getting damaged and starting to sink. Come back to AniJam, click Upload Image. Select your Scene 2 image, paste your prompt, set duration to longer, and hit Generate. When it's done, download it.
Water is coming in!
Then go back to your Google Doc again and copy the video animation prompt for Scene 3, the children and the dog jumping into the water. Upload your Scene 3 image, paste the prompt, click Generate, and download. After that, go back to your Google Doc and grab the video animation prompt for Scene 4, swimming toward the island shore. Upload Scene 4 image, paste your prompt, hit Generate, wait for it to finish, and download. And then the last one, go back to your Google Doc one final time and copy the video animation prompt for Scene 5, reaching the shore. Upload your Scene 5 image, paste the prompt, click Generate, and download. So now you have all 5 scene videos downloaded on your computer. And because you already renamed all your images as Scene 1, Scene 2, all the way to Scene 5, finding the right video for the right scene is completely easy. No confusion at all. After downloading every single scene video, go to your editing software. I use CapCut. It's free and works perfectly. So you open CapCut and click Import. Go to your Downloads folder, select all 5 of your scene videos, and bring them all in. Then you can edit and combine them into one complete video clip. You can edit your video correctly and make it look exactly like what I showed you at the very beginning. It is not hard at all. So that is method 1, generating and animating every scene one by one, then combining everything inside CapCut. Now I'm going to show you method 2, how you can generate all scenes at one time without any problem. But before that, please make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and leave a positive comment on my YouTube channel. I put a lot of effort into preparing this video for you. So do me that favor and help me by subscribing. I really appreciate it. I love you, everyone watching. All right, now let's get into method 2. So here in AniJam, click the plus button. After clicking the plus, you can select all your scene images at once. Select all 5 images and click Open. After clicking Open, you can see all 5 scene images are now uploading together at the same time. Then, go back to your Google Doc. After going back, select all your image prompts and video animation prompts for all 5 scenes. Copy everything. Now open your browser. I use Chrome, and search for ChatGPT. Click on it. After opening ChatGPT, paste all your prompts there. Then write this: give me one single prompt that can generate all 5 scenes together into one complete video. This tells ChatGPT to give you one combined prompt that generates all 5 scenes at once automatically. ChatGPT will start analyzing everything you gave it. And after analyzing, ChatGPT prepares everything and gives you one clean prompt that covers all 5 scenes in the correct order. After it's done, copy that prompt. Come back to AniJam and paste that combined prompt into the input field. Then click Generate. After clicking Generate, AniJam shows you the storyboard plan. There's AI Director mode, Workflow mode, and Oscar Film mode. But no problem. When you are on the free plan, you choose AI Director mode. That works perfectly fine. Then for the video model, there are 3 options. There is Seedance 2.0, WAN 2.7, and Kling 3.0. When you are on the free plan, choose Kling 3.0 because it is good quality and works perfectly without any payment. I already chose Kling 3.0. But me personally, since I have more credits from using this platform every day, I use Seedance 2.0. So then when you go here, they show you the platform settings. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 because it is the best format for YouTube videos. Then for audio mode, and this part is very important. Listen carefully. Choose dialogue. You have to know this. If you don't choose dialogue and choose voiceover instead, your videos can come out with no sound at all sometimes. So always choose dialogue to make sure your video has proper audio. Remember what I just told you. Then go to duration, and you can see the duration is measured in minutes. The minimum is 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. But imagine, you can create videos all the way up to 25 minutes long. 25 minutes! Imagine creating a video that long with AI. But let me reduce it for today. Click the minus sign, and let me set the video to 3 minutes. After clicking, I set it to 3 minutes. Then click Confirm. After clicking Confirm, they show you everything and say click Style and Design. So click on Style and Design. Click and then wait. Then click Style Library. After clicking Style Library, you can choose from so many different styles to create your videos. Imagine, there are more than 100 styles you can use to make your videos. You can scroll through and it never ends. This is all the styles you can use to make your videos look incredible. So I'm going to choose, let me pick this one. 3D character design. I click on it. Style, 3D character design. After clicking on it, then click concept design. You have to click on concept design. After clicking, they show you everything and create descriptions for every element. So then click generate all concepts. You have to click generate all concepts. So already AniJam starts creating all the concept images for every scene. This is the boy, the girl, the dog, the boat, the water, the ocean, the island, everything. It creates all the photos that will be used in the videos. After finishing generating all concept photos, the boy, the girl, the dog, the wooden boat, the open sea, the tropical island, everything is ready. Then you click here, Start Video Generation. This is the last step. Click Start Video Generation. After clicking, they show you everything in your canvas on the left side. Then they ask you, how would you like to generate them? You can choose Generate All at Once, or you can generate step by step. But the best option, the one that is faster and better, is Generate All at Once. So choose Generate All at Once. This creates all scenes at the same time. They make some clips of 15 seconds or 10 seconds each, then combine them all together into your full 3-minute video that you chose. And look, they are creating all the videos. You can see all the scenes being generated at the same time. So after everything is done, you go to your editing software. Me, I use CapCut. Go to CapCut, click Import, go to your downloads, because you already downloaded all your scene videos. Click Open. After clicking Open, you can combine every scene together. You can combine them and make one clean, complete video. After combining and editing well, you can make your video scenes look perfect very easily. So right now, let me play the final result, and you can watch every single scene I created. Wait, let me play every scene for you. Let me go and combine everything. I chose the 16:9 ratio for my YouTube video. Then let me play it, and you watch the video I created.
Best adventure ever. I got you!
Hey, no fair! I wish this could last forever.
Me too, sis.
What was that? The boat! It's breaking! No, no, no! We have to stop it! Oh, King, where are you thing? It's not working! We're sinking! We have to jump!
It'll be okay, trust me! Jump! Now! Look! There's an island!
I see it! Keep going!
Almost there! Keep going!
We made it! We're gonna make it!
Together, okay? We made it!
We actually made it!
I knew we would!
Look at him!
He's so happy!
Where do you think we are?
I don't know, but it's beautiful.
This is just the beginning. Our real adventure starts now.
And that is everything for part 2. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment "done" down below the moment you finish creating your first AI video. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to see what you create with this. Every single link I mentioned throughout this video, Google Flow, AniJam, and the full Google Doc with all the prompts ready for you is in the description and the pinned comment below. I love you all, every single one of my viewers. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep building.